This Doctor's Day, we, all Indians, wholeheartedly thank our frontline heroes, the medical staff, and the entire fleet of amazing essential workers who have risked their lives and played the most noble role in bringing us closer to the new normal, for which we are so grateful today. Doctors are lifesavers who work tirelessly for mankind. Being a doctor is considered one of the most sought after professions. People want their kids to become doctors and they instill this dream in them from an early age. They work tirelessly to keep people safe. In India, the National Doctors' Day is celebrated on 1st of July all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on July 1, 1882 and died on the same date in 1962. Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961. The celebration of the Doctor's Day is an attempt to emphasize on the value of doctors in our lives and to offer them our respects by commemorating one of their greatest representatives. India has shown remarkable improvements in the medical field, and July 1 pays a perfect tribute to all the doctors who have made relentless efforts towards achieving this goal irrespective of the odds. The theme of Doctors' Day 2020 is to thank all the frontline warriors who have worked immensely and intensely towards curing the COVID-19 patients. The whole world is praising the efforts that are being made by Corona warriors to ensure everyone's safety everywhere. The doctors have been tirelessly working to deliver essential services. The community of these workers should be given applause for the work. From the rag pickers to the nurses and security personnel, standing on all fronts, are working for the people. Because of these doctors, we as a nation is being able to contain the COVID-19 pandemic. During this pandemic, the doctors who are coming in contact with the patients are also being tested positive across India, and that shows how tough their job is at the moment. And that is why they need everybody's support to win this war against coronavirus. They are following all safety protocols. They are not meeting even their families, and this is stressful. Dear doctors, you are doing such a vital and challenging job. You are worthy of rest, and it is crucial for your sustainability. You are emotional frontline, and we all feel that. And to share this feeling, this video is from a Durgavati International School channel, which supports all the COVID-19 frontline warriors. The immense and tireless job and the tireless efforts they are making towards curing the patients. We all thank you. Thank you for saving our lives. Thank you for giving us a new normal life.